This is the Neewer FL10, an entry-level photography light. And if you're just starting out filmmaking or content creation, it might be one of the most useful tools you can have. It's a really capable light for the price. At under $50, it features 4 colors and adjustable brightness, it's powered by an integrated battery, and you can choose the lighting effect you want with adjustable focus and gobo filters. On paper, it appears to be a no-brainer considering how much it costs, but how does it actually perform? And is it really the most versatile light you can get at this price? We'll talk about it later on in this video, but first, let's see what's inside the box. Along with the light itself, you get a silicone snoot, 20 different gobo filters, a velvet storage bag, and a Type-C charging cable. The FL10 is entirely aluminum made. It feels so solid and well built. It's 15 centimeters long and it weighs 416 grams, so it's also very portable. It has a 7,500 mAh battery that provides up to 180 minutes of use at the maximum brightness, and it supports charging while powered on through the USB-C port. The light is very practical to mount. It has a 1/4 thread in the middle and another one at the top. And to control it, you use this knob, which you have to long press to turn the light on and off, while a single press cycles through the 4 colors, white, orange, blue, and red. And if you turn it, you can adjust the brightness. The knob is surrounded by a light ring that displays the battery status. As you can see, the FL10 is powered by 4 individual LEDs, one for each color. So keep in mind that the beam might be positioned a little differently when changing the color setting, and it can alter your composition. But that's not a dramatic thing, since you can actually fine-tune the beam even more, first of all by using the lens barrel, which changes the light spot size and the beam's clarity. But you can also use the silicone snoot and the filters to achieve very unique effects. It's probably the most interesting part about this light. It isn't just a regular photography LED that can light up your background or your subject, but you can build more complex frames, adding a window effect, for example, or you can project other shapes and designs to build dynamic shots. Let's now talk about the performance. As the name says, the light provides 10 watts of output. It offers yellow light at 2000 Kelvin, and it has pretty high CRI and TLCI ratings, meaning the color accuracy is very nice, and the light reveals the true colors of subjects. The specs actually do translate in great performance. The intensity is enough for most content creators. It can easily be your primary light source for close-up cinematic shots, but even as your background, it provides a great result thanks to the adjustable beam. You can get a defined light source that illuminates a single spot, which becomes very useful when using the filters, or you can have a more diffused light at the maximum beam angle of 60 degrees. Keep in mind that all these features come at only $50. That's a big factor to take into account, since these type of lights can reach insanely high prices that often don't make them worth it if you're not a professional. As you can clearly see from these images, it's by no means a cheaply made product, so I would say the FL10 is a perfect tool for content creators. Go check out the links in the description to secure yours.